Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much for 2025. Thank you for all of your support, and I thank all the companies that partner with me. Today's video, when you're talking about comfort comes first. Alright, ladies, it's a full support, no wire, no pinch. The bra that I'm sharing with you today, it's no wire bra. I call this a lift without a pinch. The bra that I'm talking about is by a brand called Lucky Me. I'm going to show you quick unboxing in order not to prolong the video. Hi my ladies, unbox and try on with me Lucky Me Wave Wireless Bra. It is washing machine safe. You can just put it in the laundry bag and throw it in your washer. It came with extra hooks. It's a wavy design with a small hole at the front to prevent sweating. Lightly lined. It comes in 9 colors and sizes range from size small to 3 extra large. It has 4 levels of hooks and is very stretchy. One of the reasons why I love this bra, it's no wire. It's very appropriate for every day. I am going to show you another way that you can restyle it. You know, I'm all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and I like to style outfits multiple way. Even though this is a bra, I'm still going to find another way in order for me to be able to enjoy the value for the money. Another way that you could wear it with some of your other top that might have that cotton, like a razor back kind of top, how you can style it with it. Very comfortable, very breathable. I chose this color because I could wear it under white. You know how wearing white, I love to wear white, and when you wear white, sometimes the kind of bra that you put under it will just ruin your outfit completely. Think about t-shirt with an underwire bra under it. Definitely you will see the traces of the wire under it, but this bra is not going to give you that. The band is big enough to avoid all those overlap skin at the back that would make your skin to be bulky, and it's very flat underneath what I tried it on. The padded part of it, it's non-removable. You would think you can remove it, but it's non-removable. I absolutely love it. Very stretchy and very flattering under the t-shirt especially, so I consider it as an everyday bra. This is size small. You'll be surprised it fitted so perfectly. There is no gap in between, just like the other bra that I tried on, just for you to see the difference. There is no gap in between. It fitted perfectly. It's true to size. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this bra in the description box, just in case if you're interested, you can go ahead and check them out. Also, if there's any kind of discount code, also I will put it there. Alright, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and until next time, please don't forget to subscribe as well. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.